Sort the old mop out. Oh my life, I've got a wasp in my room. Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. So again, I am doing another unboxing for you. So this week's unboxing video is based on Birchbox. So I recently resubscribed to Birchbox in July, which you will have seen my Birchbox, or hopefully you will have seen my Birchbox unveiling for July. But what I did notice was that I'd missed out on quite a lot of other Birchboxes, like the previous Birchboxes from April, May, basically the past 6 or 7 months, and I really liked the look of the boxes, so I thought, right, okay, I'm going to have a look, see if I can buy them. So you can't purchase the previous boxes for Birchbox. I think you can maybe on Glossybox, I'm not entirely sure, but Birchbox you can't. So I went onto Facebook and I tried to see if anybody was selling any of the Birchboxes, and this guy had got a subscription box, so I purchased 8 months worth of Birchboxes from him, which I was so excited because he had the exact ones that I really wanted. So today's video I am going to do an unboxing of the previous 2. I'm going to do May, which is one of the boxes that I was so desperate to get because I just love it. Look at it. How beautiful is that? Is that amazing or what? Oh my life, I've got a wasp in my room. Okay. Anybody else completely and utterly terrified of wasps? Because I really am. My trusty spray. Right. I can breathe now. A little panic attack on my part. Terrified I am. Anyhow, right, get back to the video. Oh my goodness. Right, so this is one of the boxes that I desperately wanted, and I was trying to hunt down everywhere. And then I got, so then this one is June's box, which is cute. Probably not the paper chase is okay, it's not fabulous. So anyway, I'm going to go into it. So the first one, June's Birchbox. So here you got a voucher for 20% off paper chase, which, like I said, it's okay. It's not my favourite shop in the whole world, but you know, it's cool. So the first thing, I don't have the leaflet that tells you exactly the recommended retail price of everything, so I'm just going to go through what I can see here. On the others, I've got the leaflet on all of the others, but anyways. So the first item that I have here is Laretzi Cosmetics. Anybody know who they are? Can you see that there? I've got dye on my hand, sorry. Anyway, so this is a lipsticks crayon rouge in the shade Plum. Oh, gorgeous. I love plums. I love that colour. So here we go, let's have a little look and see how this looks. Oh yes, I like that. Can you see that there? I like that colour. So I think, yeah, so that is a lipstick crayon. Creaking door. The next thing that I got is from Amica, is it? Bust Your Brass Cool Blonde Shampoo. So this is fabulous if you're blonde, which I'm not, so I will be passing that on to someone who is. So it's like a blue purpley shampoo to keep, obviously, to keep your blonde, to avoid brassy tones. So the next one is from Rituals, the Ritual of Karma, do good and good will come your way. Spread the kindness body cream. So that is a Holy Lotus and organic white tea body cream. So smells good. Didn't taste it this time, thankfully. So that's a rich, nourishing body cream. So that's that one there. Then I received this, which is from Paul and Joe. It's a moisturising foundation primer. Little tiny bottle of it, cute. So I shall look forward to trying that out. Like I said, none of this stuff had been used, thankfully. And then the last thing that I received is this from Benefit. It is the Gimme Brow Plus. It's a brow volumizing fibre gel. So obviously this is like the travel size version. Cute. Those items were lovely in my paper chase designed box there. So that is the June Birchbox. So the next box that I am opening up now is the May Birchbox. I absolutely love that design. It is so blooming cute. Spread your wings, I will. Love it. So I do have the leaflet for this one, so it goes into everything that we've got. So the first thing that I have is a Lord & Berry Ultimate Lip Liner. So this is so this one is in Vintage Rose. So Lord & Berry. Oh, I love the fact it actually matches that one. How cute is that? I do like these plums, these berry colours. That's cute. So that recommended retail price at £13, but that is like a smaller version. That's not the full size. So the next item that I have here is this. So this is a Philip Kingsley Elasticizer. So it's a pre-shampoo treatment which works with all hair types, adds elasticity, manageability, hydration and shine whilst reducing breakage. So this is a full size, and which is a bit small, however. This recommended retail price is at £9.50. This is recommended £9.50 for that. So that's interesting. I shall give that a try. Pre-shampoo. So the next one is this here. So this is a face sunscreen, sorry, and it's SPF 50. So that's quite cool. It's in a small tub. Oh, smells nice. Oh, I like that. That smells lovely. So yeah, this is the recommended retail price for a full size version of this is £17.50. So it says it not only does it defend against harmful rays, it's chock full of antioxidant vitamin E to deeply hydrate and further protect your skin. So I'm going to try that because it is absolutely scorching here at the moment and I cannot cope with the heat. Literally cannot cope with this heat. I've got my fans going and everything, windows open, wasps coming in, it's mad. So, right, the next item that I received here is a nourishing mascara. So this volumizing and lengthening mascara is enriched with almond oil and camellia oil. So that's interesting. So this is by Botanic Beauty. So this is the travel version, obviously. The recommended retail price of this is £12. Like it. So this is obviously in the shade black of some version, of some sort. The last but not least item is a, oh my word, multi-purpose dry oil face, body, hair. Nourishes, repairs and beautifies. I thought it was perfume at one point, but I don't think it is. So this is envelop your skin. I'll just show you as well so you can see it. There it is. So it says envelop your skin in a blanket of floral scented moisture with don't know how to say that. Latest launch. Enriched with 7 botanical oils. Skin is left silky smooth, radiant and delicately fragranced. It's perfect for hydrating your arms and legs, or you can work a little through the lengths of your hair to add shine. I probably won't use it on my arms or my legs, but I might use it on my hair. Let's see what it smells like. Oh my word, that's gorgeous. Oh, that is heavenly. Amazing. I like it. So that is my Maze Birchbox. So I do have a referral code which will be in the description box for you all to check out. Just a few things. I don't know if you remember the pillow spray which I got in my previous box is amazing. Love it. Would definitely recommend that. So yeah, I'll leave a link to that in the description box as well for you to check that out. So like I said, I have a referral code, so go check that out. Go check out Birchbox, they're fabulous. Thank you so much for watching my video this week, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, as per usual, please give me a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. And I shall see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.